Hello YouTube and welcome to another video brought to you by KC0LKV. So in this latest video I want to show you my latest addition to my shack. I have a Yaesu MD100 microphone, and as you know the microphone comes with a regular stand, PTT, you can switch frequency and move up and down and so on. But I mean, even though I like it, the microphone was in the way, so I wanted to find something like a boom extension where I could attach the microphone. So I went online and I found this one on Amazon.com. It was only $12. It only came with the boom, not the microphone. But I wanted to give it a shot. So ordered it, came in within 2 days, and I was able to install it on my shack. As you can see, it's attached to the back of my desk. Comes forward where the microphone from the MD100 is attached to. So now I wanted to connect that microphone to my radio. So I went to a local store and I purchased my 8-pin microphone connector, and I purchased cable. That's the microphone connector. Of course, my first attempt was a failure, so fortunately I purchased a couple extra plugs, and I was able to connect the cable to my Rig Blaster Advantage. This is great if you plan to use Vox operation, but I needed to be able to use the PTT function. So what I did, the Yaesu FTDX 1200, actually the majority of all the newer radio come in the back with an RCA plug, which is exactly for PTT. You can use like an input switch or any other sort of switching device. To a local electronics store, Gateway Electronics, I purchased this very inexpensive PTT switch. I attach it. Oh, my bad. I attach an RCA plug to the back, and voila! Now I have a PTT switch that I can control at any time. I can have my microphone moving any direction I want, forward, left, right, so that I can adjust it for operation, and I free some space here on my desk. So between the microphone, PTT switch, which was $3, the boom extension was $11 on Amazon.com. The cable, the most expensive part of this whole thing were the two plugs, which were $3.95 a piece, and the cable itself, which was, I believe, $4. So with about $25 of equipment, I was able to have a really nice setup here in my shack. And I finished the setup last night, and I used it a couple times, and it works really well. Anyway, so once again, this is the boom that I purchased. I created the cable well, not myself, it was just 8-pin, and then I soldered an RCA plug to my to this PTT switch to the RCA radio. Now, when it comes to the 8-pin microphone for the Yaesu, or at least for this particular radio, you only need actually use 4 pin, which are the middle pin, which is pin 8, which is the microphone, pin 7, which is the ground, pin 6 and 5. So you only use 4 pin for the microphone. The other 4 pins are for up and down, fast, and so on. So you only need the 4 pin from the cable. All right. The soldering was pretty easy. And once again, here's the final product. Thank you for watching KC0LKV. I'm QRT.